Good morning, student. You are studying biology of standard 10. Today I am going to teach you about structure of human heart. Try to understand about structure of human heart. Human heart is a hollow muscular organ. It beats non-stop throughout the life. On an individual and act as a pumping muscular organ. Heart is a pumping muscular organ. Is present left side in your body. It receives blood and pump blood to various body organs. Its wall is made up of cardiac muscles and its cavity is divided into chambers, 4 chambers. Human heart is 4-chambered structure placed in the thoracic mediastinum, slightly to the left side, in between the 2 lungs. Okay, I hope you understand. First, you try to understand about external structure of heart. External structure of, you can see in picture, it is roughly conical in shape, broad at the anterior end and narrow towards the posterior side, slightly tilted toward left and placed over the diaphragm. The size of human heart is roughly equal to 1 fist. Size near about equal to 1 fist. Heart is enclosed in a thin double-walled sac, and that thin double-walled sac is known as pericardium. It is 4-chambered, 2 ventral. It is 4-chamber, and it is found attached to the ventral thoracic wall and diaphragm. Okay, in between 2 layers of pericardium. Between 2 layers of pericardium fluid is present, which allows free movement of the heart, and pericardium protect the heart from outer shock and injuries because pericardium fluid present between 2 layers of pericardium. Okay. On the outer surface of the heart, 3 grooves are present. Number 1, the coronary grooves separate the area of auricles from the ventricle. Second, interarterial grooves separate the right and left arteria. And third, the anterior and posterior longitudinal grooves separate the 2 ventricles. The right atrium is larger than the left, and unlike atrium, the right ventricle is the smaller than the left. Okay, and the left ventricle forms a rounded effect of the heart. I hope you will study about external structure of heart and parts of heart. Thanks for today. Today's homework you will write about external structure of heart and tomorrow I shall teach you about internal structure of heart and function of heart.